Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate this smooth slow motion video using the CapCut PC app. I'm just going to try to find one to do. What about this one? I think that's already in like slow-mo, so I'm trying to find one that isn't. Maybe this one. I'm going to select this video here, and I'm going to select the video section. I'll go to speed, and I'll go and times it down to maybe 0.4x speed. Make sure you've ticked and enabled smooth slow motion, and make sure you selected optical flow. If you did choose frame blending, it will generate faster, but it will have less better quality. I don't know the word for it. It won't have like a good quality as good as if you selected the optical flow one. It says like optical flow has longer time to generate, but it shows a better quality. Once you have finished it, I'm just going to wait for it to process. You'll see the loading percentage on the right here, and this is what it will look like after. As you can see, it is super smooth. Here, I'll show you the before. This is the before. It's just people like walking. This is the after. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!